So, it has been a minute, and I have done some stuff. I am not using a slicer program, and that is because I have a small CNC thing. It's I compare it so much to the 3D printer. It's very similar, very different. A couple different areas. I mean, controller is about the same. It does about the same thing. It doesn't have all the XYZ or whatever stops, so it doesn't have any limit switches yet. I'm gonna get some and implement it. It's I can literally just throw these on my printer. It's so crazy that I mean I knew it was possible, but like it's just so crazy to see it here side by side, like how similar these things are, and now I'll be able to have them going side by side, and that can do other things, and this can do other things, and it's gonna improve a lot of things. It's a wonderful process, and I feel like an infant right now because I know that I can just plug it in, bam, 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 go and go to town. This is all I've gotten in like 2 hours. So yeah, it's gonna take a minute, but I'll have some shit ready and going here in no time.